Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Julie and I'm an expat here in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. So for today guys, I will be sharing with you a very simple and subtle makeup look for Valentine's Day. Yes, Valentine's Day is coming up 2 days from now, and I know guys, everyone is very excited on that day, aren't we? So if you are in a relationship, single, or happy being alone, having the best time of your life, then I think you are in the right place. So today guys, I will be sharing with you that glam look or an easy look for a Valentine dinner date with your friends or with your partner. So if you want to know more about that, please keep on watching. So I already prepped my skin guys, so let's go to our base. I'm using this L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear in the shade Sable or Sand. So I'm just slowly applying some portion of it because this is a full coverage guys and buildable. So you can use either a makeup sponge or a buffing brush like what I'm using at the moment to blend it out the foundation on your skin. So since you are having a dinner with your partner or your single friends, it's better to have a flawless skin base. So it doesn't necessarily to be expensive foundations or BB creams, just the one that actually matches your skin color. So second step guys is using a concealer. So I'm using this one from Catrice True Skin Concealer. So as usual, I am putting it on the under eye area, then on the bridge of my nose, on top of my forehead, and on the chin part. So the concealer applications here is just to brighten up the areas of your face, lalo na kung may dinner tayo, so you want to have that glowing and again flawless base. So set it all up with a foundation powder or any translucent powder that you have on your makeup set. So as you see, I'm just selecting the part of the face that I want to mattify, especially the under eye area, to avoid the creasing of the concealer. So I've already done my eyebrows off cam. So today what we will gonna do is to clean up those eyebrows. So again, just put on some concealer closest to the eyebrow lines, and then if there's any excess, just put it down on the creased area of your eyes. For me, I prefer to have my eyebrows cleaned up by a concealer when having dinner like this. Like evening parties and evening gatherings. So gusto ko medyo pack ng kaunti yung eyebrows ko. So now just to prep for eyeshadow, I'm just using a concealer as a base just to pop up all the colors that we will be applying later on. So let's go now with our eyeshadow. So I'm using the Huda Beauty in the palette called Gold. So first I am putting on some light color. As you can see, I'm just putting it all over the creased area of my eyes, not touching the lid part. So slowly blend it up on the creased area, guys. And then if the pigment shows up like what you are seeing now, if you are satisfied with the pigment show up, then you can stop right there and there. So just do the same on the other part of your eyes, guys. So the second eyeshadow color must be darker than the first one. So I will be choosing this kind of plum purplish kind of color. Any darker color, guys, that is matching to the first color, as long as it is the bold one, the bolder color, you can use that. So now I'm just slowly patting it in to the outer V of my eyes. So as you can see, I'm just holding the brush so lightly so I can just, blend it in a circle motion, just to focus the pigment on the outer V part of the eyes. I am not extending it on the crease or either on the lid part of the eyes. So of course, guys, the last part should be adding sparkle to your eyes. So I'm using this gold kind of shimmery eyeshadow base. So I want to show the pigment more, so I'm using my hands to do that. So compared when I used the brush earlier, so the pigment shows up. So I think it's a very good idea to use your hands to pat it on some sparkles on the lid area up to the crease. Maganda actually kung buong mata yung lagyan mo ng sparkle. Gustong gusto ko yung effect niya. So we will be applying all the colors that we just applied on the lid and the creased area on our under eye lines. So don't forget that part, guys. So since marami tayong mga pigments na pumunta sa face, we will just dust it off with a brush. So now let's proceed with our mascara. I'm using this Face Shop mascara. So I'm not using any eyeliner in this makeup tutorial, guys, so I'm very generous in applying my mascara just to add pop to my eyes and to lift all those lashes and make my eyes brighter, during the whole evening dinner time. Next up is bronze, so I'm using again this Hoola bronzer by Benefit. So again, blend it all in. Then of course our blush. So I'm using this very cute blush from Tarte in the shade Party. So it's very timely on the makeup tutorial in the event that I will be going to. And then you can skip this part actually guys, but I want to contour a little bit of my nose area. So just a little bit of a bronzer and bringing on some nose line for this makeup. And then of course we will not forget our highlighter. So it's good to have enough highlighters guys when you are doing dinner times or evening occasions. I'm doing that actually most of the time para maganda yung glow up natin for the whole night. And of course our lips. So I'm using this colorette in the shade Emma. So as you see, I'm just putting it all on the middle part of my lips just to create a gradient effect on this shade. So I'm not doing it like a full lip color. I'm just patting it on with my finger just to have like a very subtle makeup color for the whole night. And last step of course is a setting spray just to set all the makeups that you have applied on your face guys, and you're good to go. And here is your final look guys, a wearable Valentine's dinner makeup look. I hope everyone loves it, and I hope you have a lovely Valentine's Day celebrations. Spread love, stay safe, God bless. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.